Are you sure you're gonna be okay? I'm scared looking at you. Be really careful, okay? Oh, it's a big motorcycle. Okay. Hey, hold both hands on the chain, yeah. Don't let go, okay? If you get scared, tell mommy, okay? I'm scared more than anything, Tutu.
I'm a monkey.
Yeah, you are. Come on, Boomer. Toma, can you get down by yourself? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Be really careful. Oh God, I'm so scared. Oh.
I should get down all by myself.
Yeah, hold it tight, hold it tight. Good job.
Now I want to do the under thing like that.
Okay.
What do we do with that thing?
Which thing? Show me. What you want to do with that thing?
You show me what we gonna do with it. Show me what we gonna do with it.
I don't know how to do it.
This? Like that?
What are you going to do with it? Yeah. You want to go on a slide?
No, I want to try this and then try to climb on that and try to go on that and fly up there like that side
Mm-hmm.
and then walk on that thing and then go and slide and then go on the big swing.
Then go to home? Then go to home?
No. And then
Toma, are you okay?
and
Please, I think it's not okay, Toma. Yeah. Oh. Good. Yeah. Mommy help you in a minute, okay? Let's go different one first next. Yeah, okay. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.